Out of my way. I am on the hunt. Gotcha.
Hi, and welcome to Poptography. For today's On the Hunt, I went to the Warwick Mall and stopped in at none other than BoxLunch. They had something new from the Mando wave that we had talked about being announced not too long ago, and I had to pick this one up. This is one of the few that I did not already pre-order through Amazon, so when I did see it at BoxLunch, I did not hesitate to pick this one up. And that is none other than Grogu with the Frog, number 720. This is from that last scene at season 3's finale with him and Din finally just being able to rest upon their little area of, I guess if you will, home on Navarro. So kind of cool. So what I was going to do is open this bad boy up and see a little more of the detail of this Funko Pop and share that with you. And without further ado, really nice already. I'm already liking it. Quickly out of the box. Easily becoming a new favorite Grogu. And I know we've often said that there's too many Grogus, but this one's pretty awesome. I really do like this. Alright, so sometimes getting these out of the box and trying to keep the box nice is more of a pain in the butt than just throwing it in the garbage. But anyway, we got him out of the packaging, and this is awesome. I can't wait to photograph. This is like the whole shot. I don't have to compose much, I'm sure. But I already know I have a backdrop for this, so I'm excited to eventually get this on the set. But look at this. I just think this has just an amazing detail to this. It is a whole scene. It's not just a Funko Pop. What a great TV movie moment or whatnot from the finale. And that was just a quick snapshot there at the end, so I really enjoy seeing this. Very cool idea. Very nice. I love the little detail, the frog with the one eye, getting lifted up. I was wondering how they're going to do that. The way they did it is kind of was able to attach him to a piece of the grass that you see here, and that kind of, being stuck to him. But it looks great. I love it. I love it a lot. So I'm going to put this on the turntable so that you can get a better look at him. If you enjoyed today's content, please hit the like, definitely hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Poptography. Until then, may the force be with you.